I don't even, what the fuck just happened? Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl KiVonShe. If you are new here, welcome. Today's video is just going to be a quick install and styling this wig. So if you like this wig, keep watching. If you don't, just go to another video, you know what I'm saying? But if you want to see where I got this wig and how I got this wig to look like this, then keep on watching. Alright, so I'm coming on the screen with the ball cap or the stocking cap method. This part, a lot of people lay down their hair underneath their wigs any old way. They do braids, with a cap, without a cap. Some people just throw a cap on, and some people glue their caps down. So this is the method that I use for the black wig, which I'll insert some photos in here. I was sort of using the black wig to do like a trial and error of really installing lace wigs, because it's especially difficult when you have your own baby hair and you're purchasing lace wigs that come with baby hair. It's like a whole freaking thing. But getting into the wig, this is the wig, and I believe I got this in 22 inches, and it is the Alice Swiss Lace synthetic wig. It's a synthetic wig, you know, wash it in cool water with a mild shampoo and conditioner. Don't scrub your wigs when you're washing it. Just swish it around, you know, swirl it around and stuff like that. And it says that it can be used with a curling iron or heat up to 320 degrees. If the wig gets frizzy, just put on a sheen spray, comb it, and then use a detangling thing, and basically you can use any hair product on this. So I will just brush through this briefly, and as you can see, it's just gliding right through. And this is the exact same wig as the black one that I got, except this is straight, and the other wig is very, like, it has like a deep body wig. And that wig, you know, it'll fluff out and stuff, but once you wet it, it gets that wave again. And there's not, at least that I know of, not a lot of synthetic wigs that kind of reverts to its natural hair the way that curly hair typically does. So I do like that, but this video is not about that wig, it's about this one. So let's just get started. So I'm doing this video literally only because of Jay Shadelli. I've only known her for a few months, but I feel like she's been requesting me to do a wig video for like 9 years. So I'm just going to do it. So I have all my tools and stuff in front of me. Before I get to laying stuff down, I'm just gonna go ahead and put it on my head right quick. And I'm going to take the back comb, and it comes with 3 combs. I'm gonna take the back comb and just secure that in the back, and that's just going to be the back security while the glue is the front. And as you can see, I haven't bleached any knots. I didn't use any of the cheap methods where you use spray tan and stuff like that. I put it up against this cap and my scalp, and it looks pretty good. So for now, you know, unless you like right on top of my head, I'm not really worried about the lace and the threading being too clockable. So not gonna deal with that today. Just gonna work on customizing and installing and doing all that good stuff. If my skin looks just a little bit yellow, I got this light in front of me with this mirror. It's like a whole case and everything, but I need to be able to see, and I cannot use this monitor. Otherwise, I'm just going to fuck it up. Probably shouldn't be drinking and doing this, but it calms me down, you know? So now that I took my sip, I am just going to start to comb all of the hair out of the way, just so I can see where the hairline is. Just gonna move that back, and I got hair in my eye. And I definitely got this wig pulled up way too far. When I was laying down my cap, so like I said, I have like baby hair out the ass. So I tried to mold my hair back as much as I could, the baby hair at least, just so I wouldn't have to glue down any of my own hair. But what I've been doing is whenever I don't feel like putting my baby hair out, I will purposefully brush all of my baby hair forward just to kind of create like a line, like a space, like a part where I can then glue and set the hair in. Otherwise it'll just be sitting on my hair, which is fine. I just take, when I'm ready to take my wig off, I will spray the front, put some shampoo on my fingertips and rub it all off and just get the glue off. So with this, I'm going to start in the middle. So I took the foundation that I use on my face and just put that on the edge, just so, because again, you can still kind of see some of my baby hair. So unlike other people, I won't be able to lay this down on my skin. It's still going to touch some of my hair. So I really had to make the edge of my cap try to match my skin to mask my baby hair, because my baby hair is black and this baby hair is, as you can see, is like a strawberry blonde. So yeah, I gotta like finesse. And let me make sure I stay leaned back. So this seems like a really good spot, and it's time to spray. Now it appears to be where I want it to be. Let me just comb some of that hair back. And I'm just going to do the same thing all along the edge so that this video is not crazy long, because I will be styling it on camera. I don't want to take forever on the install part. I'm basically going to show you what I'm about to do. I'm going to match up the edge, and I'm just going to do little pieces at a time, just because nobody's hairline is like a straight line down. So I'm just going to do a little bit here, match that, blow dry that, and then I'm going to shape it. And then any excess that's next to my ear, I'm going to cut off afterwards. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and then I'll be back so we can get to the styling of this wig. Alright, I am back, and this is the wig on, and it's a little bit crusty around the edges just because, you know, the Gots to Be spray, and I didn't have my Gots to Be glued to like dry it down till it got clear and then you can put it on. But you know, either method, for the most part, like the hair is not going to be worn back, but honestly it doesn't clash. And this is the color of the hair that I was actually trying to achieve when I went to go dye some wig way back when. I'll plug the link somewhere, either in the icon or down in the description box. But this is the hair. This is the length, comes down to here. Okay, so I like it, even with these dark brows. Like, okay, B. Oh, I don't want to leave it. You know what? Okay, here's what I'm gonna do. I was gonna chop it like boom, because I wasn't sure how the color would frame my face, but a bitch is looking bad. So I'm gonna start with like armpit length and see how I feel about that. And as you can see, I just went right on in. I'm really not afraid to cut anybody's hair. And honestly, my hair has been so many different lengths. That look like dead ends anyway. My own hair has been so many different lengths. Like, I literally just cut all my hair off like a month ago. Okay, I like it. Everybody, I need to put this group chat on mute. To do the other side, I kind of like how this had like a little bit of a wave, because it kind of gave me a marker of where I wanted to cut anyway. And FYI, I don't know if I'm going to utilize the baby hair feature on this wig. I'm not sure yet. It's touching my lip and it's a little bit annoying, but I'm kind of over baby hair just because I live with it every day. It's annoying. Oh shit. I don't really want like the asymmetrical bob look. At least I don't think I do. We'll see. I'm kind of cutting it at an angle anyway. I don't even, what the fuck just happened? All right. Best part about wigs is when it's not yours, you can mess up. So this is definitely the desired length that I want, and I like that the thickness of it, like the density of the hair, is not making me look scraggly. So once again, I'm gonna go and I'm gonna even out this side, and then we're gonna come back to test this whole heat thing out, and then we're gonna finish up the look. I'm gonna give my review on what I think about the hair, and you know, y'all can always comment below. I like to comment as I'm watching the videos, like as if I'm having a conversation. So hopefully, if y'all feel like I made a mistake and you saw me catch these scissors, you were commenting below like, bitch, stop. But yeah, I'm gonna do the other half. We're gonna come back, we're gonna throw some heat on it, and then I'm gonna finish up this video. All right, so it's a little bit shorter than when I left you, but that's okay. We are going to go ahead and start straightening this. Why do I keep leaving the ponytail holder? So all I'm gonna do, let's just see. This is on 370. And we're just gonna see what happens. And I moved that other mirror out of the way because it was just, I didn't like the light on it, so I'm just using the monitor. So forgive me for not looking directly into the camera. Oh yeah, that's such a difference. It's a little bit hot. I'm accidentally crimping the ends, but hey, I really need to get like that stuff out. So nothing too crazy. How did I miss the whole thing? This is why you need a mirror in front of you as well. All right, this is the completed look. Again, didn't want this video to be super long, so I'm just gonna wrap this up. Doesn't take the heat well, but you know, it's not bad. I really like the color. The color itself was in the shade dark brown. This is not dark brown, but I'm not mad at it because I've been trying to achieve this color for the longest time. Even with my real hair, I was trying to dye this color a while back, but gave up because it just took too long. But yeah, I like it. I just gotta, you know, tie it down, get it to be trained a little bit because I'm more of a side part girl when it comes to shortcuts, and middle part when it comes to really long hair. Yeah, but let me know what you think of this wig. Leave your comments in the comments below. I will definitely leave the link to this wig in the description box. And yeah, everybody, I really suck at this, and the wine is really starting to get to me. So make sure you like this video, subscribe if you're not already subscribed, hit that notification bell, and I'll see y'all in my next video.